Pentagon estimates indicate that approximately half of U.S. missile reserves were consumed during the Iran war. Around 50% of THAAD and Patriot interceptors were fired, and 20 to 30% of Tomahawk cruise missile stockpiles were spent. These weapons were originally saved to counter China's powerful missile force, including systems like the DF-21 and DF-26. Experts warn it could take 1 to 5 years to rebuild these missile inventories. At the same time, satellite imagery shows Iran repairing missile sites and launchers, while restocking Fateh missiles and Shahd drones signaling a rapid recovery of its strike capability.